Understanding exclusive item, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, exclusive item. Understanding this phrase is key to grasping many conversations and texts, especially in the world of marketing and retail. So, let's get started. Exclusive item refers to a product or service that is only available from a specific source or through a specific channel. These items are often limited in availability, which can make them more desirable. They're not found just anywhere. That's what makes them exclusive. To understand better, let's look at some examples. A toy only sold at a particular store. A special edition book available only when ordering from a certain website. A smartphone model that is only sold in specific countries. These examples help illustrate the limited availability and special nature of exclusive items. Companies offer exclusive items for a few reasons. 1. To create a sense of urgency. If an item is only available for a limited time or at a specific place, people may be more inclined to buy it quickly. 2. To attract a specific audience. Exclusive items can appeal to customers who like to have unique or rare products. 3. To strengthen brand loyalty. Offering exclusive items can make customers feel special and more connected to the brand. Let's practice using this phrase. The store announced an exclusive item that will only be available this weekend. I managed to get an exclusive item from my favorite designer's new collection. Notice how the phrase highlights the item's unique and limited nature. And that's a wrap on exclusive item. Remember, it's all about availability and uniqueness. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this common phrase. Don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.